Today, guys, I'm at my fireplace and I'm going to be burning wrapping paper things. Do not do at home, kids. Train professional here. Even though I'm a kid. Do not try at home. I'm warning you. You're here with child who knows what they're doing with their trusty friend Piper, and my parents are talking in the background. I don't know if you can hear me, but my parents are talking in the background making dinner. Ooh, we got a side that's smoking. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is cool. Oh, that's cool. It's like, oh shoot. Okay. Okay. This side going. Okay, this is about to get lit. Oh, my hand. What the heck? Ooh. Go back where the camera actually can take the heat. Piper? Viper. What? Ooh, dab me up, bro. Shake. Hey, dab me up. Bop. I'm joking. Okay, I'm sorry. Pleasure doing business with you. Okay, I'm getting more. Not sure if this would fit. Does this look safe? Mom? Mom? Mom! What? Does this look safe? Does this look safe? I can't. Ooh. Bro, my family is so annoying. Ooh. Oh, do you guys realize that I'm filming a YouTube video? I think I might have made a mistake. Oh, this is lit. No. I'm trying to film a YouTube video. I am so sorry, guys. I can never film without family interrupting. I will be back after dinner, and sorry for all the talking and all my family not caring about my YouTube channel. I asked them to be quiet, but they can't. They just can't do one favor for me. I just asked them to be quiet. They talk. They ask me everything. They yell. Most of my YouTube videos are not out because of them, but this one's gonna make it because I'm not running content. Alright, I'm coming back. I'm coming back after I eat dinner, and I'm gonna make sure my family's quiet after this. Alright, I'm back and we are burning the log. Widows? No. Widows! You were dumb. I'm done with the fireplace for this shot, and then we have sleepy little pipers. Bye guys, see you in the next video.